Welcome to Android Workshop. I am Nilesh Singh. I will be taking the next 3 sessions. First, I am going to show you how to install or configure Android on our system. To install or configure Android, we require some softwares and tools, that is JDK 6 and above, and Eclipse, ADT and SDK. You will download this softwares and tool from the given link. Now we will see how to install or configure Android online. To install or configure Android online, we have to download ADT bundle. For that we have to go to Android developer site. So first we have to open browser, go to that browser, type here Google, here in Google you have to type Android SDK. Now after that you will get the developer.android.com/sdk/index.html. click on this link. Now from this page we have to select ADT bundle. Depends on this ADT bundle depends on the OS. If you are working on Linux 32-bit, then you have to click on ADT bundle Linux x86.zip, or if you are working on Windows 32-bit, then you have to select this ADT bundle. So I am working on Linux 32-bit, so I'll select this, then accept, and then download ADT bundle. Click on this and save. Now you can see it will take 2 minutes 11 seconds to download. Depends on your net speed, it will take time. So under 23 seconds are left to download. Now my ADT bundle is downloaded. Click on this. You will get the ADT bundle Linux here, the downloaded folder. In download folder, extract this folder into anywhere in your system. I am extracting this into my desktop. So in desktop, inside the Android setup folder, I am extracting this folder. It will take some seconds to extract. Show the files. After extracting that zip folder, we will get ADT bundle Linux x86 folder. Inside that folder we will have two folders, one named as Eclipse and SDK. So in SDK folder we will get 5 folders. In this 5 folder, the platform folder is important, because in this folder we will get by default API level 17, that is Jelly Bean 4.2 Jelly Bean, and other 4 folders are the supporting folders which contains some files and plugins. Now we'll start Eclipse to install lesser versions like 2.2, 2.3.3 or 4.0.3. So click on this Eclipse folder. Inside there is a Eclipse. Click on this. It will ask you for the workspace. Now you can give your own workspace. I am giving my own workspace on desktop. I'm creating one folder named as Android work. Click OK. Click OK. After that you will get the Eclipse IDE. This is your Eclipse IDE. Here, to install a lesser version of Android version, so we have to go to Windows, then the Android SDK Manager. So these are the lesser versions we will get after clicking on Android Manager. And this here, all these versions are uninstalled. Only this 4.2 and tools are installed, because this is the by default version we'll get with the Eclipse ADT bundle. Okay, now select 4.0.3 because I'm working on Akash tablet. The version of Akash tablet is 4.0.3. Then 2.2. Now here you have to give the user and password if you are in proxy. Okay, after that you will get this versions. To set the username, to set the proxy server, you have to go to tools, then the option, and here you have to give the server name and the proxy port. Close. Now I'm selecting 4.0.3 because I'm working on Akash tablet. The Akash configuration Android version is 4.0.3, and after that there is Android 2.2 version. Click extra. Now here you have to install 18 packages, so click on this, accept license, install. Now this packages installation will take half an hour to 1 hour to install, depends on your net speed. Here it will take half an hour to install. Now you can see my 4.0.3 to 2.3, 2.3.3 and 2.2 is installed. This is the way we can install online SDK. Now after installing this version, we have to create AVD. For creating AVD is your Android virtual device. So for creating AVD, we have to go to Windows, then Android virtual device. Delete this. Now click new to create new AVD, that is AVD 1. Then select your device. I'm using this device 4x800 and the target. I'm working on Akash tablet, so I will use 4.0.3. Then the ARM processor, and after that I have to specify the size name of SD card. Click OK. It will take some time to create AVD. Now my AVD is created. Click on this link and start, then launch. After that you will get one emulator, that is your AVD, where you will get your results. This is your emulator, that is AVD1. Here you will get all your results. This is the way we can install online your Android. Thank you.